Okay, so this came today and it is my purchase from L'Oreal. Of course, I already opened it when it reached office, so I'm going to just film a short video on the items I've bought. There you go. I bought beachy stuff, Caritas and Caritas. Also, it's only Vichy and Caritas. So I got this it's a hair serum from Caritas, scalp and hair serum. Okay, it's in French. Oh wait, there's actually English. Strengthen and fortifies hair for reduced breakage. No rinse. Apply to wet or dry hair and scalp and massage scalp in case of contact with eyes. Okay, I'm going to try this. Then I also purchased Vichy's mask, 3 types. So this is the pore purifying clay mask, and then the double glow peel mask, and then the third one is this. This one should be hydrating mask. So it comes in 15 ml. Oh, it's only until February of 2021. So it comes in 15 ml. Let's see how the box looks like. Wow, nice. So I'm going to try it. And then got this Vichy hydrating set. So I have this refreshing water, which is toner, I guess, and also this rehydrating cream. This is to replace my products when I finish it, because from the previous sale I bought La Roche-Posay's hydrating lotion, and it's finishing already. I really like it, so I actually bought a La Roche-Posay set with the cream and everything. And this time I'm trying Vichy. Oh, actually there's 4 stuff. Okay, let's just see from behind. So there is a lotion, a cream. This is another lotion, and then a cleanser. Okay, it's like inside. Nice. This is another rehydrating cream for dry to very dry skin, and this is the cleansing gel. So these are all travel size. I'm about traveling. Then my last purchase is Caritas elixir set. So it comes with 3 items. This is quite interesting. So hard. Yes. So what we have here. This is a shampoo. Wow, fancy. The shampoo. And then this is the oil. Okay. And this is hair mask. Right. To rinse out. It's actually only so little. Oh well, since this is a trial set, so I'm going to just try it. I'm happy with my purchase. Hope for the next sale. Yay!